Say no.
Is that Thomas?
Nope.
Tina, is that you?
Is it Tina?
Tina? Tina, are you here?
It's Min! Oh my gosh, that sounds amazing!
Yeah. Did you see the rain? Is there a lot of rain, Min?
Man, remember we saw the rain?
Yeah?
Did you tell Dada what kind of bird we saw?
What kind of bird did you see, Min?
Remember a robin?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah? No pictures.
Oh, right.
Think road.
A dust spoon.
Is that a dust spoon?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
A dust.
Okay, you can dust.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should dust, Min. Dada's gonna put on pants.
A dust.
Huh?
How about the spoons?
Oh, okay. How cold is it?
This one.
I'm just gonna get some pants out of here.
Min, are you sweeping the dust?
A dust. A dust.
Is it
A
dust?
spoon.
A dust spoon.
Yeah.
Pink robe, pink robe. Pink robe on video.
I can delete it.
Open the door.
I don't think you want to open the drawer.
Achoo.
Oh, let's go find the monkey.
Achoo.
Min, you want to go find the monkey?
And no shoes. No shoes. No shoes.
I think those are old shoes.
There were no Lana one. Like that one.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that. That one. That one.
That one?
Yeah. Ping.
Boom.
Flame. Ding.
Ding.
Ding dong.
Ding dong. What you doing, Min? Hey, Min, what did we see yesterday? Did we see a fire?
Firework.
Yeah. What color was the fire truck?
Red.
And what did it have? Did it have a big...
Letters.
Yeah. And a big...
Letter.
Yeah. And then did who went in the fire truck? Did Min go in the fire truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. And then what did we do?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. And then what were the firemen doing?
Bye.
Yeah, were they waving? Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Did we like the fire truck?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's a fire truck sound?
Wee wee.
Yeah. What's a police sound? What's a police sound?
Yeah. A police sound.
Police sounds.
Yeah.
Police car sound?
Police car sound.
Yeah.
A police.
Min, what's an airplane sound?
Whoa.
Whoa. You want to go drive in the car?